Hello everyone, AK here. Welcome to a new unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing Street Fighter 6 for the PlayStation 5. Before I start the unboxing, don't forget to hit the like button and let's get into the unboxing. So if you guys can see, we have Street Fighter 6 for the PlayStation 5. Here we have the front cover art. Here, I believe this is the main character. This is the title, Street Fighter 6. This game is published and developed by Capcom, and this game is rated M. And here we have the spine. The spine has Street Fighter 6 with a black background. And we have the back with with the title Your Movement, Your Fight. It does have World Tour, Battle Hub, and Fighting Ground. So yeah, and then here we have one player, two players, 216 network players, PlayStation Plus subscription required, 55 GB minimum, vibration function required, and in-game publish. I hope that I said everything correctly. So yeah, so let's unbox Street Fighter 6 for the first time. So let's unbox it and let's see what's inside the case. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's remove the white default. Okay. Oops. Alright. Let's see what inside the case. So inside the case only the disc. So yeah. So thank you so much everybody for watching Street Fighter 6 for the PlayStation 5 unboxing. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon to be notified for every upload that I do. Check out my gaming channel. You guys will see me play Street Fighter there. And yeah, so thank you so much everybody for watching. And always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye everybody and take care always.